Okay, so we are learning different ways, strategies to help us add double-digit numbers. And last week, first we used the hundreds chart, which everyone seemed to do really well with. I was impressed. And then we did the open number line, which is basically the same idea, counting up the tens first and then the ones. Today we're going to do lesson 3.3, and this is a little different. This is breaking apart the numbers to add the easiest parts first. So I want you to watch the visual learning and see if you can understand what they're doing.
How can you break apart numbers to add? Let's solve this problem. 37 plus 25 equals... What does the question mark stand for? What numbers are the add-ins?
Well, we know the add-ins are the two numbers we're adding together, right? And the answer to an addition problem is called the sum. So the question mark stands for the sum.
The question mark stands for the sum of 37 and 25. The add-ins in this equation are 37 and 25. To add 37 and 25, you can break apart the second add-end. How can you break apart 25 into tens and ones? 25 has 2 tens and 5 ones, so 25 equals 20 plus 5. You can find the sum of 37 and 25 by adding 20 and 5 to 37. Add the tens of the second add-in to 37. What is the sum of 37 and 20?
So now this is just like if you were doing the hundreds chart and you had two tens, you'd go down two rows, right? Or if we were doing the open number line, we'd start on 37 and we'd make two jumps, two 10 jumps. So we have 37, 47, 57.
You can use a number line to help. 37 plus 20 equals 57. Now add the ones of the second add-end. How can you find 57 plus 5?
Well, we need to start on 57 and count up 5 ones. So you put 57 in your head, count up 5, use your number line and draw 5 lines, however it's easiest.
One way is to add 3 to get 60. 57 plus 3 equals 60. 3 plus 2 equals 5, so add 2 more. 60 plus 2 equals 62, so 37 plus 25 equals 62.
So they broke the 5 up.
Why does it help to break
3 and
apart
2.
the second add-end?
It makes it easier to count up. It makes it easier to look at. I don't know if I would have done this one and broken the 5 up, because you could have come here and just counted up 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. This could be a little confusing, but definitely breaking it into tens and ones and adding it could be helpful.
You can use mental math to add the tens and ones separately to the first add-end.
Now you know how to break apart numbers to add.
Okay, so we're going to go to the lesson. You can get your math book out and turn to page 101. It's lesson 3.3, 3-3. Okay, Josh has 34 cans to recycle. Jill has 27 cans. How many cans do they have in all? So we know if it says how many cans do they have in all, it's a plus problem. It's an adding problem. Let me get a pen. So let's start with Josh's 34. We're going to add Jill's 27. And we're going to find the sum, which we don't know right now, right? So let's look at 27. How many tens are in 27? We have 2 tens, and 2 tens equals what? 1 10 equals 10, 2 tens equals 20. And then we have 7 ones. So that might make it a little easier to add. So now we have 34 plus 20 plus 7. So we can draw our open number line. Here's our 34. And we're going to jump up 1 10, 2 tens. All right, let's think about this. What would be 1 10? 34 plus 10 is 44 plus 10 is 54, right? And now we need to go up 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to count up 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. So 34 plus 27 equals 61. Now, girls and boys, I taught you last year, my kids at least, how to stack and add. To me, this is still the easiest way to do these problems if you understand how to do it. All these things we're working on this week are other strategies to help you add if you don't know how to do this, but you guys do know how to do this. What's 7 plus 4? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Put the 1 down here, you carry the 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 61. I would practice doing this for each of these problems to check yourself. You should get the same answer this way, and any strategy you use, you should get the same answer. All right, so we're going to turn the page. There's the problem she did in the video. Explain how you can break apart 28 to find 33 plus 28. Well, we're going to keep 33 the same. And we're going to break apart 28 into tens and ones. So how many tens does it have? 2. 2 tens equals 20. Okay. And then we still have our 8 ones. Okay. So 33, we want to jump 10, 20. 33, 43, 53. Now we need to go up 8. 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. Oh, same answer. So this equals 61. Now, like I said, we can check it by stacking. 33 plus 28, 8, 9, 10, 11. Put the 1 down here, carry the 10. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 2 more is 6, 61. So we still got the same answer, right? See what they did here. 57 plus 10 is 66. They added the 10 first and got 67. And then they went up 3, 68, 69, 70. 57, 67, 68, 69, 70. All right, let's go to the next page. All right, you got a bunch to try. So I'm gonna do one and show it to you. and then I want you to work on the rest. We're going to leave the first add-in like it is. We're going to break apart the second add-in. So this add-in has 110 and 6 ones. All right. So you're going to add 42, go up 10, and then go up 6. So 42. We're going to jump 10. What's 42 plus 10? 52. We just add one more 10. 52. All right, and then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. We're going to count by ones. 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. If you had stacked this one, 42 plus 16, oops, you would get, that's a 6, guys, sorry, 6, 7, 8, right? 4 plus 1 is 5. Did we get the same answer both ways? We sure did. All right, I want you to try these 5. Ooh, you can try these. It's got part of it there for you. I'll tell you how you do it, guys. Turn it into a takeaway problem. Do 88, take away 36, you'll find this number. Do 57, take away 14, you'll find this number. Remember that subtraction and addition are just backwards from each other, so you can turn these into subtraction problems and find the missing number. And then we probably have some word problems. Yep, but it's the same thing. So you've got your 2 add-ins. You can break the second one apart, okay, and see how you do. Ooh, there's a tricky puzzle question. Let's see who can figure that one out. All right, so you're going to work on this lesson. Check yourself by stacking the numbers and adding them and see if you get the same answer. Then you're going to go to Savas Math and do Practice Buddy 3-3 and Quick Check 3-3.